Hi everyone, I'm Stefan Koenig and this is PHP for Dummies Day 12. In this lesson we're going to be learning about the random function in PHP and how to use it to select a random number of numbers or other stuff like that. So just continue watching the video and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Alright, so the way the PHP random method works, hold on, let me just open the PHP brackets. The way it works is all you do is type rand, which stands for random, and in the open brackets you have to type the min number and the max number. So we'll just replace this with a minimum number, which let's say is 0, and the maximum number, which will be 1000. Nothing will happen right now because we haven't echoed it out yet. So let's just go ahead and echo this out. Let's go see how this looks like in Chrome. Okay, so it's echoed out a really random number. It's in between 0 and 1000. It's chosen a random number, 939. If we refresh the page, the number will change, and so on. And you can do this as many times as you want. It will always be a different number. Sometimes it will repeat, obviously, because it's random. So let's go back to Notepad++ and see what else we can do. Alright, so let's say we want to create an array. Let's first assign a variable to this random number. So we'll call it random. The variable random is equal to a random number between 0 and 1000. Let's create another variable called number. And we'll set this to an array. And we'll just type in random. We'll do this a lot of times. Let me just copy and paste it. Sorry about that. Alright, so we've got a couple of random numbers there. Let's go see how this looks like in Chrome. Firstly, I want you to observe it and tell me what you think will happen in Chrome right now if we just go navigate to index.php. Alright, so as you can see, nothing has been displayed. If you haven't figured this out yet, it's because we haven't echoed anything out yet. So let's go back to Notepad++ and do that right now. Alright, so we can simply echo this out. We'll just echo our variable number, and since it's an array, we have to type in which selection of the array we want to echo out. So let's put this in as our first random number. Let's save this and see what it looks like in Firefox. Wait, I forgot to add a semicolon. Alright, let's go see. Alright, so it's echoed out a really random number. If we refresh the page, it changes again and again and again. Now let's go see if we can make more use of the random function. Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to use the random function in a certain way. You can use the random function in any way you want. I'll just show you one way now. Let's go replace anything in our variable. We'll replace it with names. So name 1, name 2, and let's do 2 more names. Name 3 and name 4. Now, let's say we wanted the specific selection from the array to be random. What we would do, we would type, instead of typing 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we would simply type random, or rand. Rand's the actual way to type it. And in the brackets, we type 0, because we want to start with 0. So that will be our minimum value. And then the maximum value will be, let's count, that's 0, that's 2, that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So remember, even though we've got 4 values, the maximum will be 3 because PHP counts the first one as 0. So So we'll just let this be free. Let's go have a look what comes up in Chrome. Alright, so I've refreshed the page. It says name 1. Let's test the random thing by refreshing it again. Name 4, name 1, name 4, name 2, name 1. It's really random. Okay, so that's PHP for Dummies Day 12. Today you've learned about the random function and how it can be used. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy my videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel.